Hello, in today's very quick tutorial I will show you how to maneuver through ChatGPT chats. So let's get started. I already asked ChatGPT for some questions and I have here all three chats that I asked ChatGPT. I asked it for F1, F2 and F3. Of course I want to ask it right now, or I want to see the F2 question and the answer from the ChatGPT. I will of course just click on it and I get to that chat. If I want to make a new chat, I will just click new chat. Nothing happens here. Not one tab will show up here, but if we ask something for example, bam, after the ChatGPT starts answering, we will get the new tab. People keep asking us about it and it will show up after ChatGPT starts answering the question. And so, how can you manage some other name? If we can see right here when ChatGPT give us the answer, we will get automatically the name for that chat. Of course, we can edit it right here. We can click on the little pencil down here and we can change the name what we want to change, like F3 just. And we click here to approve and it changed the name. Of course, we can go from one to the every chat that we want, of course, and we can delete the chat here by the bin and we can select it to delete it. Of course, it will delete it, and if we want, it was deleted, and if we want to delete all chats, we will go down by our name or our email to our settings. We will click the three dots, we will go to clear conversation and it will click confirm, and we will clear all conversation that we had with ChatGPT, and we have a clean web browser and ChatGPT screen. So guys, I hope I answered your questions. I hope this helped, and if you have some other questions, you can visit our channel. Of course, you can ask in the comments, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.